Problem 3 in section 9.3, you are dealing primarily with the law of cosines. That's the target, but law of sines is the possibility. Your original problem here did not actually give you the triangle, so I kind of drew a triangle in. I suggest you always do that if you're not given a triangle. Angle B was 23. Side B was 18. Remember, they're across from each other. Angle C is 70, side C, and we don't know angle A or side A. I've got it set up like you might have more than one possible triangle. So I kind of dictate that that's a possibility by doing the two triangles. The red, blue, and green colored things are things that I have found. Let me explain why I know there's not but one here, and notice these were left blank. This triangle is what we call angle, angle, side. And the situation that where you possibly will have two will be side, side, angle. And this is angle, angle, side. So you're only going to have one. And of course, there's only one angle missing, and of course, you can find it pretty easily. And once you have three angles, there's no possibility for two triangles. So I'm going to find angle A. We know that they add up to 180 degrees, and we were given two angles, 23 and 70. And then that leaves 87 degrees for angle A. Now, I want to find side A. Side A is to the sine of angle A, as side B is to the sine of angle B. This is your setup. I've substituted for angle A, side B, and angle B. And that's what I've substituted. Okay, if you cross multiply, you get 18 times sine 87 and A times sine 23, but then you divide by the sine 23 to get A by itself. This calculation is done right here in the Desmos calculator, and it asks you to round these to 2 units or to the nearest hundredth. The nearest hundredth is 2 units. So side A is 46 degrees. You've got one thing left to find, and that is side C. Side C is to the sine of angle C, as side B is to the sine of angle B. So side to angle, side to angle. What you know is C is 70, angle C, side B is 18, and angle B is 23. So you're going to substitute those in. Substitute 70 for C, 23 for angle B, and 18 for the side. Cross multiply, divide, get C by itself. Make the necessary calculation. When you round this to 2 decimal places, it would be 43.29. And you can go up here and see that I have put them in color, the 3 that I found. But there was only one triangle, so I don't have to find the second triangle.